shouldn't have made up. We were supposed to meet at 12, but it's already like 11 o'clock. And I can't even find my brush. Oh, sorry. I'm running late. Taking it? Hey guys, check this out. We are celebrating New Year. My Christmas wasn't fun at all because I was sick. I got COVID. But thanks goodness I recovered before New Year and I'm able to go out to celebrate with my friends. And they made a lot of food. I've never tried this. Why is it just like salad and bread?
Yes, that is good. What do you want? Spoon? Bring the spoon.
I didn't.
Yes.
Yeah, we
Better
can.
not to say it. Better not to say it. Just to learn it.
I read it.
No. This is wish.
Yeah.
Don't tell anybody.
Oh.
Okay, you can say it out.
Yeah, but resolution we can tell everybody like
Okay.
out loud, and this is how you keep this one.
Okay.
I don't know what you're gonna do.
Are we starting now?
My wish.
Are you waiting? Listen.
My wish is very simple, but very
Don't say it
important.
out.
No, it's very abstract way. I'm saying in abstract way.
Okay.
But I
Yeah,
can.
it hurts.
Hold on somewhere.
My wish is flying.
Coca Baby.
She said.
Can you add more? Mine?
It's fine. It's really normal. It's fine.
It's okay, come on. Do like
Guys,
this.
people never do this on this
Smart.
on the pencil.
Come on, man. Come on, my wish.
Your wish is in the pencil, bro. Happy. If you don't drink it, that means it doesn't come true.
It's coming true.
Hey, come on, this is shit. Like you wanna shit it. Yeah, I can say it. It's fine. It's okay. Drink it.
I wish everybody will stay a child in his soul and like believe in some magical things.
My wish
I never
was just.
Now, it's so annoying when you think you're recording but you're not. I have been talking for like a minute now and I just realized that I wasn't recording. Crazy. Guys, I'm on my way to go play football and I'm so excited. Like, I've been 3 weeks now. I haven't played and the weather is so cold. But ain't no cold stopping us. Ain't no cold stopping me. Okay, you see that lips? Another one is that I am scared because I haven't fully recovered. I think I have, but you know, I keep coughing and it's so strange. And sometimes I get like a little bit headache. So I'm a bit worried that I might haven't fully recovered to play football. It's so long that I played and I really want to play. I'm late. I'm late already. And the weather is cold, like it's literally freezing outside. And I look good. Hào cho! Like, give me five! Like, me here! Give me five! guys think? So like, I don't know how it looks on me. I've been craving ice cream recently. I hope it does good. Guys, the weather is so cold right now and I hate to be outside during winter. Like, I do not want to come out. I'm going to have dinner with a friend. Be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Hi Naka.
Hi.
Hey guys, we went to Zara and just checking out some stuff. Yeah, it is nice. Did you find anything you like?
A lot of things that I like.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, this is my vibe, my kind of vibe. This dress. Guys, I'm back home and that's all for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay?